India looks to attract more than 1,000 American companies out of China. India is seeking to attract US businesses including medical devices and Abbott Laboratories to relocate it from China because of coronavirus pandemic. India expects to win over US companies involved in healthcare products and devices. Researchers said that India is more economical in terms of securing land and affordable skilled labor than if they move back to US or Japan, although the overall cost is still higher than China. The Prime Minister Narendra Modi's government tried to regain lost ground after many companies choose countries like Vietnam over India as an alternative destination when Trump started his trade war with China. India is a bigger market than Vietnam or Cambodia, so it should be a bigger draw for investors looking to move operations out of China. China has been the world's factory for the last 3 decades mainly because of its FDI led manufacturing exports, but now India would be the brightest spot among the emerging economies when it comes to attracting FDI. Make in India will become a success provided we prepare a ground for the opportunity. India, the world's fifth largest economy with an abundant labor force, offers the best alternative in terms of depth and size of the market. India is also a resource rich country, therefore, India has its stage set to attract both market seeking and resource seeking FDI. Unlike China, India is a stable democracy where government and the rule making is much more open and accountable. So, this is an opportunity for India in the post COVID era. If we grab this opportunity, the next 20 years would belong to India at a global stage. Thank you for watching.